Alright guys, so we're here with a beautiful lady, you know what I mean? In the community of Reach Falls. You mind telling us what's this beautiful lady's name?
Oh, Shirley Curry.
Shirley Curry. Alright, nice to meet you, Miss Curry. It's my first time meeting you. I'm Tyrone. You know, this is Tyrone Studio Vlogs. So we're just trying to get to know you a little bit. But what I know so far is you're my brother's grandmother. Yeah, by mother's side. So we're just trying to get to know you a little bit. So how old are you now?
70.
70?
Yeah.
Wow, 70 and counting.
Yeah.
So how long have you been living in this community though?
Born and grew in this community.
From born and grew.
Yeah.
So have you moved anywhere else?
No.
Never move.
No.
Right, I say you're a little base.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how was it growing up in the community though?
Well, in my community, you know, those times we never have no light, like current. We just use lamp. And it wasn't like this because first time you have to carry water from pipe and river and do stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do you have any of the lamps now? You have any of the old lamp them and something there?
No.
So not sure with them?
Not really sure them, you know, lamp break after the grandchildren and stuff come up, you know.
Yeah. Okay, so no antique material no there, nothing what they used to use back in the day. Not even lampshade.
No.
Eh? What you can find for show me? I'm gonna make brother go look for something where you can show me, you know, cause I want to see what they used to do. One of the lamp them. But as a girl growing up in the community, what are some of the stuff you used to do to have fun and them thing there?
We play ball, we go to river, yeah, and play run round and pick fruits and like that and yeah. Banana with mango seeds, we go bush and look for mango and come in. Yeah.
So how the community get it named though?
Reach? We just come here and call it Reach. We don't know.
Come here call it Reach.
Yeah.
Okay, but I just so you know it as.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like they would say Reach, Bottom, and up here, so then call up here, so Dry River. And then further up them to Ecclestone.
So it's a chain, a community.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. One reach.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that people one reach, same reach. Yeah, man. So how many grandchildren and children you have though?
I have, well, right now I have 5 girls, 3 boys. I lost 3 girls and 1 boy.
Okay. So this little one when I see a linger around, you see each arm upon you like glow. Which one this? A great grand?
This is the last grand.
The last grand?
Yeah, we don't have no great grand.
No great grand yet? Okay. TJ probably soon get a great grand.
Maybe.
I want to learn little one here. I ain't grow quick enough.
Yeah, but we have granddaughter 28. 26.
How are you say?
My biggest grandson is 22.
A whole heap of milestone that you know?
Yeah.
A whole heap of milestone that man.
They don't give me no grand yet.
You don't get no grand from them, no great grand yet?
No,
okay.
Great grand yet.
Okay, nice. That's very good though. And Missy say, you're smiling and you're on your rocking chair go on. Easy yourself.
Yeah, man.
Not worry about too much.
No, the only thing we worry about, we can't go to church again because we can't do the walking.
Oh.
The church is just there, but it's still.
Oh, you said the arthritis.
Yeah.
You can't do the walking.
Yeah.
Well, me understand that.
Yeah, sometimes them have to help me up, like me sit here. Lift me up.
Okay. So what type of job you used to do though?
Well, we used to do like little washing and something until we get the cooking a canteen at the school.
Which school that?
Reach school.
Okay.
So we used to cook for many years, and then I get slight strokes, so I could work again.
Oh, you couldn't do more work.
No.
Okay. So how was that job to help your family though? How it help you out?
Well, it could help. It helped.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it could buy with food. It could help them to go to school and so. Back to see with my husband.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh, you're married?
Yeah.
Okay, wow. How long?
22. I'm married 49 years.
Yeah.
48. 1972.
Lord have mercy.
1972.
Ella didn't sit there till I go on. Boy, me have to go reach that one day. God spare my life. Me have to go reach that level there because people now hearing something. How much years, mommy?
48.
48.
Yeah.
So your husband then?
I'm inside.
We have to go talk to him in a few. We have to come out here, come prove himself.
December coming, September coming, will 29 years.
49.
49.
Okay. Now what you say, Father God. So my people, they hear them something here. You see, me like talk to you elder. Me like get them information. So you do any farming? You used to do any farming?
Yeah, we used to do farming.
Yeah. Look at the farming and thing.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so how what kind of stuff you used to plant back in the day?
Plant like banana, plant, dasheen, little yam, every little thing. Peas, corn, every little thing.
Just to sustain it. You used to sell it?
Yeah, you get a little sale too.
Oh, which way you used to sell it?
Like truck used to come up, produce truck always come up and
Okay. Used to get like produce.
sell the banana and stuff plant to the igla them. People going and sell.
Okay. Alright, so our husband join us. You mind telling us your name?
Winston.
Mr. Winston.
Curry.
Mr. Winston Curry. Nice to meet you, sir. Yeah, man. Them call you Dada.
Yeah.
Dada. Well, Dada, how old are you now?
73.
You're 73. Wow. That's a lot of years. And your wife is 70. Okay. And you've been living in this community in the same set of years just like her?
Yeah, well, I've been working somewhere.
Okay, so tell us now what type of person she is to you. She's a very nice person.
Yeah.
Okay.
48 years.
And she tell me so you reach 49 sometime up in a year. So what do you used to do for Christmas though, mommy?
We used to cook. And we cook together as family, come together and we cook.
Yeah? And invite people?
Friend, yeah.
Yeah? So what type of food you used to cook though and everything?
Like curry goat, chicken, jerk pork and so.
Yeah, so you used to set up in a jerk pan in the yard, yeah?
The first time we just grill, set up pan stone, you have stone and you put your grill on it and jerk.
Okay.
And that time we never use jerk pan.
Oh, you never used to have a jerk pan in time then?
No.
Oh, well, that's a Asian history though.
Yeah.
You would want to see it now. You know do it now and then?
Yeah, we do it now and again.
Okay.
Like Christmas time and so we have sometimes we have a family day together and we chill. Yeah.
And we see there's a river nearby still, so you go river as a family and thing.
Yeah. Sugar beach. Sugar river.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But people, grandma look like a she talkative type, you know. Papa no love it talking, you know. Papa the too love it talking, brother. You know what I mean? I see like when I cook, man, you know, run a boat. You run a boat in the idea. But TJ, him carry the lamp.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Hold up the lamp, make we see what I go on. So this is the lamp where they used to use back in the day. I will bring it closer. Yeah?
The lamp shade and
So when no electricity used to run through the place, is that we have to resort to
yeah.
back lamp and The next one named Torch.
Torch, like
Yeah, buckle torch.
Lantern,
And lantern.
Like you go on the road at night, you put your kerosene oil in the bottle, and then you make one card put in there, and make sure it's wet in the kerosene oil, and you light it and you're gone.
Oh, it have to soak first.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, a long time I don't see lamp, honestly. I see a lantern with in a bashko, but I never see a lamp. You know what I mean? But this is antique. Not you wait, no? Don't you ever I tell you, don't wait, you can't value that. You can't value a couple years for now when when people are come collect it antique them, because some of them things get destroyed by fire, by flood, by all sort of things, and people just dash them away. But it's a good thing to keep, it's a memory. You understand? It's a very important memory and a part of your history. Because of your history, you know, and we are documenting. But how you feel, how you feel me talking to you now?
I feel good.
Yeah. Yeah?
Good, yeah, man.
Yeah, man. And I don't want to meet you for a while now, but me just get the opportunity to come visit and, you know what I mean, visit your home. Hopefully we come to a next time where we can get some cooking done. We can see you cook from scratch. Cause I like see the old lady them and the old men them cooking. Are you chef daddy? Are you do all of your cooking? Are you do a lot of cooking? So when you used to cook? When you used to cook?
You cook anything, pork.
Yeah, you used to cook a wedding?
Yeah.
And night and dance. Cook for church and funeral. So them the chef, them the level of chef you man be. So I'm teacher for cook, mommy.
Really?
And I'm teacher for cook.
No, my father was chef too.
Yeah?
Yeah, my father used to cook.
So hold on, your father recommend him? Your father recommend him because he knows he's a chef. So him say he's a good boy. Yeah? I know you see me have the information. You never see smoke without fire, you know.
We are come from youth, man, from picnic days.
From picnic days?
Yeah. Yeah.
Ja, them type of love they the people. We want about them type of love they know. But for the picnic days are big people they see me. And in a picnic days, I don't know if you put it, but you guys were responsible. Yeah, I mean you're responsible children. Take years and listen to the parents. Because they say Bible say you can't go certain place, you know, there's a certain time. And you honor your mother and your father, so your day may be long upon the earth. Lord have mercy. Those are good old days. For real. I like that, man, and I like get the information because I've talked to other people before. Our next brother was 91. Yeah, man, and him had a donkey. The donkey is dead.
Yeah.
Because he's a farmer as well. You understand? Very prominent farmer in the community. So where else have you guys traveled before? Give me some story now, man. You go overseas? Oh, him go to farm work. You go Canada and America. So how was that experience though? So what did you do in that time?
Well, in Canada we tobacco.
There's some tobacco farming. And what about the America?
Sugar cane.
Okay.
Hard
Talk one more time. Hardest work. Because sugar cane. Lord have mercy. So the money we get from that, it was beneficial? You do a little thing with it. Yeah? So where you machete them, you know machete now, what's that? Where you do the machete them?
I should have one or two move up and down. Grandchildren.
Oh, yeah, it's the same still the little farming, mommy?
Well, it's side now.
Oh, it's side. Oh, okay. So you can't really to move around to all that. I say.
Yeah, go moving goat and so still.
Okay.
You can read it to the hard farming again.
Okay. Me understand that much still.
Yeah.
But me see a brother right just and him look like him loving it and him respecting it and him want to come talk to him, man. Come further, come talk to
My
him.
son-in-law, man.
Come talk to him, man.
That's why. Husband.
Yeah, man. Alright, so you mind telling us your name? Marlon Baker. Alright, so how long have you known my grandmother here? 15 years? So what type of person is she though?
Yeah, she's a genuine love everyone.
Love everybody?
This year full of kids, you know.
Yeah.
And she take care of a lot of kids. Yeah,
Mm.
the mother of the community.
A nanny?
Yeah, nanny, man. A lot of kids pass through her hands.
Yeah?
All that. Yeah, man.
So you're picking them pass your hands though?
Right now, see them.
Yeah?
When this one is here, he
Yeah?
yeah.
What you say? So you say she's a loving person. So they never get none of quarrel yet?
Really, that's what I say, she's genuine.
She always tell it as it is?
Always tell it. Yeah.
Okay. So how I cook it though? Rate I cook it for me. Because I know some of them cook it more. I know some of them cook it best in daddy or mommy. You say them cook it best.
Even though she kind of sick, you know, so she really do much cooking.
But,
She
yeah.
about 75 years, you know.
75 years, eh?
But that body, no, God, really
Yeah.
eating out of him cooking.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can't rice, you don't even know, need no any seasoning, you know. Tastes like everything in there.
No meat.
No meat, you don't need it.
What you say? So what kind of work you do for yourself though?
Yeah, I'm a farmer, you know.
Oh, you're a farmer. So what kind of stuff you plant on your farm?
Dashi, coconut, banana plant, breadfruit.
Yeah.
About 10 acres right now, farmer.
Hold on, repeat that. How much acre you have?
10 acres farm, right?
Which part of the farm there?
For friendship.
Oh. So a stone throw up on you or a taxi or a taxi drive?
Taxi driver, mostly ride the bike.
Oh, you mostly commute on your bike.
Right.
But I want to take you in the farm there still. Cause I like see them something in there. Cause I do go farming still now, but I don't really go in the farming them way because I had time. So how has farming helped you do?
Yeah, maybe because I travel. I was a farmer too.
Yeah?
No one did, right?
Help you and your family. Yeah man, for real. But if you're the Prime Minister, not the Prime Minister, the area leader or the MP, the right word, the MP, what you do for the community though? What you do if you had that strength? You don't want to be the councillor? So what would you change in the community or rearrange? What you do?
More help for the farmers.
You help more the farmers?
Farmers need more help.
Yeah.
The bush up. Bush up come across the road right and now they need to bush it. Once a year now we don't help you. December alone they see them come through and they do certain part and you go behind. That won't help us, so we need to chop it right through. Yeah. That would have mostly push in from the farmer then. Yeah, because it's a farming community, you know, so you have to more put in, they help mostly in the farming.
Yeah.
To build the community.
Yeah. That's a place like Portland.
Yeah.
For real. Yeah, that changed that. Well, that need a change still because I feel like the country if invest more in that the agricultural sector. Because we can't live without the food, you know. Can't live without the food, you understand? Exactly. We not look down on farm. Yeah man, and the subscriber them where watch the video them love the farmer them. You know what I mean? Wanting to type in the comment section, you know, and big up the farmer them. You get me answer because without you guys we not have nothing, you know what I mean?
Running shorter now too.
We are shorter now.
Yeah.
For real. Definitely for sure. Definitely man. I like how you speak and talk about mama here. Right, mama? Yeah, cause auntie no call her. Yeah, legend in her business. Auntie and dada. And daddy, so you're not doing your tool them up, I can show you, man. Your farming tool, you make your hoe, your fork, your machete, your blah blah, you left it way up, sir.
Because we do construction right now, we building America.
Oh, you're the building.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, mad. Yeah, man. For real, for real. So, I want to see grandparents them, you know. No, come now. Come in the frame. Call a couple of them.
Akila.
Call a couple of them. Alright, people. So, these are the generation, or some of the generation of auntie here, we call her. You know what I mean? These are all the beautiful. These are your grandchildren.
Yeah.
And so much of them. You don't have to tell me the name now. I start from the right. Start with you. What's your name? Yeah. You have to speak up loud. Alright, and the girl? Akilia, and you? And you? Scott Baker. And what's your name, pretty girl?
Timaya Baker.
Timaya Baker? Yeah, King and Pan Grandma. So guys, yeah, this is the generation, or some of the generation of auntie here. They are very beautiful children, man, I lie. Promising. And now, man, it's nice to meet you guys. It's nice to meet you. You guys can go back and play, because I know now I'm minding my own business. Yeah, for sure, Grandma. It's very nice to meet you.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, glad to meet you too.
Yeah. Yeah, for real.
First.
Yeah, we're gonna come back. We're gonna come back for your part 2, you know.
Oh, we'll come back again.
Yes. Yeah. We'll come back for your part 2. Your grandpa, so you can prepare yourself for cooking, you know. Yeah. Me I come back for you, you know, because I want you cooking, you know, your grandpa. So grandpa go cook for Tyrone studio. You know what I mean? So we'll get some food. We'll get some cooking going on, you know what I mean? Any last word, Grandma, before we leave a little interview? It was very nice talking to you, do you know?
It was very nice, and I hope the Lord may bless you.
Yeah.
And help you through that you may make it.
Yeah.
Wherever you go.
Yeah. Yeah, man. The studio received the prayer, the man. That was very nice. And I mean, studio received a prayer. And it's nice coming in your community, traveling through it, and seeing all of the beautiful vegetation that is here. It was very welcoming of some of the people that we meet down by the road. I understand them welcoming, especially taxi driver, bus driver, everybody.
Yeah.
That was on the journey coming over reach here. I mean, so I really appreciate that. I mean, so part 2 of the video I got dropping up, people. Yeah, man. Beautiful Reach Falls down there. We're gonna drop a part 2, and we're gonna come back and Grandpa will cook for you. So we're gonna cook for you, Grandpa. Tell me to give you a preview. What we need? I don't know. I'm gonna ask the people them. What do you want type in the comment section where you think Grandpa if he cook. You know what I mean? Because I want to interact with the video. You know what I mean? Big up Grandma again. Big up Grandpa again. Big up the Reach community. Type in the comment section what you want Grandpa if he cook. Because me not tell him if he cook this time. I want you guys tell him what to cook. You know what I mean? Yeah, for real. Alright guys, so here I want to give a big thank you for watching today's video. Get to meet an extraordinary lady in this peaceful community by the name of Reach Falls. So here we guys, without further ado, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell, so when I drop a next video, we're not going to know, because a part 2 of this after drop, you know what I mean, the Reach community. And Grandpa will cook for you. Type in the comment section, let me know what you want Grandpa to cook, so I'm going to pass on the message to him so he can prepare him little self. And I'm going to invite you back, and we're going to enjoy what I'm going to do. And I guess we learn some more about these wonderful people. But this is just a part 1 to give an introduction to them and who they are. So looking for a part 2. And I mean, yeah, big up on yourself, you know. Thank you very much.